When Earth invaded another world. A sci-fi thought experiment by MysteryLens. Well, they said the stars would unite us. That when we reached the heavens, humanity would finally rise above war, greed, and fear. They were wrong. When the first colony ships left Earth, we called it a new dawn, a chance to begin again. But when we reached that pale blue world circling the twin suns of Kepler 9-1, we didn't find paradise. We found someone else. Ashes? They weren't human. They weren't monsters either. They were what we could have been. A civilization older, wiser, peaceful. They welcomed us, offered us shelter, shared food and water. But peace was never our way. Within a decade, the flags of Earth flew over their cities. We called it stabilization. They called it occupation. And when the first rebellion began, we didn't negotiate. We retaliated. Ashes? If stories that question what it means to be human make you think, subscribe to Mystery Lens. Because sometimes the real invaders aren't from the stars. Well, we told ourselves we were bringing progress. We built factories, roads, power grids. We drained their seas and mined their crystal plains. Their skies grew gray. Their children coughed. But we told ourselves it was for their own good. History repeated itself. Only this time, it wasn't Africa or Asia. It was another world. And for the first time, humanity wasn't the victim. We were the empire. Ashes? Decades passed. The planet began to die. The air turned thin. The twin suns burned hotter. Our engineers said it was natural. But the natives whispered another word: curse. They said their gods had left the world because of us. We laughed. Until the day the sky cracked. Well, the great northern sky turned black. A sound deep, low, like the heartbeat of the planet, echoed through the oceans. Every human colony lost power. Every transmitter failed. And one by one, the stars went dark. When the light returned, the aliens were gone. Their cities were empty, their homes silent, but their words remained carved into stone, written in our language. It said, "You came from the stars, and now the stars will forget you." Ashes? The Earth fleet sent rescue ships. None came back. One pilot's final transmission said he saw our planet, Earth, hanging in the sky where the twin suns had been. He said it was burned, its oceans dry, its cities frozen in light. Then the signal ended. Well, maybe this is what we deserve. Maybe this is what happens when we mistake exploration for conquest and curiosity for control. They say history is written by the victors. But if the victors vanish, who tells the story then? Well, if this story made you wonder what humanity might become, hit like, share, and subscribe to Mystery Lens, where we explore the mysteries not just of the universe, but of ourselves. Because sometimes, the real alien world is the one we carry inside.